Hello there, everybody. This is Losee working with Caleb Unger, and we're just going to be doing a quick overview of our project demo. So, in this video, I'll give a brief overview of the project. Um, so, what we're doing for our project, we are simulating two different integer megawatt hour per strategy. So given data on energy consumption, we're utilizing Monte Carlo to simulate the previous day's demand forecast. And with that demand forecast, a purchase will be made of energy for the following day. And we're very different purchasing trends. When we'll simulate the two strategies and compare them, as they have the same exact demand prediction and the same exact I see what the trade look like. Control columns done there. So virtual or and at the real time location or just assign those where we are 30 not any hour and 24 hours a day and about here. So we have our demand prediction bring in, and then we're our function on the following thing. Directions. And total purchase. Here's our Monte Carlo. Our random numbers. And then we are here, and then looking at energy. If there's energy greater than 0, then we are salvaging, or we are producing. We can look at the month this. If this strategy said these things here are making a function here and do strategies and plot so and an average price difference between here. Let's see. Okay, so we have our ceiling integer megawatt purchasing strategy cost, a floor integer megawatt hour purchasing strategy cost. You can see the difference. I probably need to label these, but for the demo purposes, we won't. But we have, we can see that there's a significant difference here between the two. And if you plot the deltas on this fourth subplot here, you see there is on average for 100 different runs, there's an average of $136,283 worth of difference between these two purchasing strategies. So that's fairly significant if you ask me. And finally, we're going to look at 1 month's worth of simulated actual versus predicted energy, just so you can see how it's offsetting that you don't actually know what your energy is going into your purchase. So what this represents in blue is the actual usage, and in the orange-ish red color, that is the value which the purchase is made on. So there you go. That is a little bit of a demo for our energy purchase simulation. Look at this graph.